Welcome to M8share, your all-in-one platform for hosting and sharing spaces in the city. Whether you're a seasoned host or new to the game, we've got you covered. Step 1. Enter your space's address. This helps potential guests find your listing. Step 2. Confirm your space's location on the map. Accuracy is key, so we make sure it's spot on. Step 3. Describe your space. Tell us what it's like. Type, size, floor, and other details. The more info, the better. Step 4. Provide information about your space. Set your pricing at features, describe access, and more. It's all about making your space irresistible to guests. Step 5. Showcase your space. Upload stunning pictures and videos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so let your space shine. And that's it. In just these 5 simple steps, your space is ready to share with the world with M8share. Happy hosting!